Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel! Kung gusto mong ma-inspire sa iyong buhay, please watch Alan Piting TV. If you want really a great life, it starts in the morning. Start with intentions the moment you open your eyes. Get excited about your day and about your life. Get up early and make sure you do this. To live a great life, don't be controlled by some of these things. Your past. Leave the darkness of your past behind for you not to block the bright future. Let go. Move on. You want to win? Focus on your future. Enjoy the moment to live fully. Other people's opinion and judgment. Before doing anything, ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to do it or because of the fear of judgment of others? Minsan, natatakot tayo na i-judge ng iba just because baka hindi maging matagumpay kagaya ng inaasahan ang gusto natin sa buhay. Limited belief of your project of yourself. There is nothing you can't do, nothing you cannot have, and no one you cannot, because if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Kapag ikaw ay may tiwala sa sarili, you decide anything as a gift. Relationship. Alam nyo ba na there is no great force than love and connection? To develop enough mental strength that you could get to the point that you don't need others to make you happy. You are just as happy as being alone than any other relationship. Masayang mag-isa, pero syempre, you should focus on a relationship with others. Money. Don't you know that money is not evil? Do not allow your decisions to be controlled by money. Follow your intuitions and truly give you your soul, then money will come. And it will come in far greater amounts if you find your freedom. Live fully and money will come on our way. Sa buhay natin, para sa akin, may tatlong sangkap. Ang una nito ay ang ating dreams. Success is not an accident. Living a great life will not come by luck or by chance. It won't fall from the sky. Nor you cannot even have a magic wand or no quick fix. Yan ang buhay. Yan ang ating mga pangarap. Walang magic. Be willing to work what you want to achieve in life. Dapat pinaghihirapan mo at pinagtatrabahuhan kung ano ang gusto mong mangyari sa iyong buhay. Take a responsibility and take control of your life. Accept challenges. Decide where you're going to be. Dapat may decision ka, may challenge ka na dapat alamin in order for you to take the responsibility of your life. There are always something to be grateful. Be grateful to people because people who are grateful are successful people. Follow your own path. Focus on your own path and walk on your own path regardless of others' opinion. It is okay to listen to opinions, but don't let others decide for you. Dahil tayo ay may buhay, dapat naisip natin kung hindi ang opinion ng iba, kundi ang sarili nating daanan or path in order for us to achieve our dreams. Never stop learning and working on yourself. Alam nyo ba na may kasabihan, the more you grow, the more you know. The more you learn, the more you will earn. Live with integrity, living in life with truth. Let us be honest to ourselves. Don't pretend to be someone that you are not. So ibig sabihin, magpakototoo tayo. Be simple, be natural, be who we are. Siyempre, we should give our all. Kung ano ang kaya mong ibigay, give it your all, your best. Change your focus, no matter how extreme can be changed. Don't chase money, follow your purpose. Do what is right, do what you love. Do something that will help others. Minsan, isa-isip natin kung ano ang gusto natin, kung saan tayo masaya, kung saan tayo nakakatulong sa iba, at higit sa lahat kung nasaan ang pagmamahal natin dun sa ating ginagawa. Alam nyo ba na there's no such thing as failures unless you fail to learn the lesson. Failure is not the ending. Hindi katapusan ang lahat. It will just keep you strong. It's just a plot twist. Keep finding yourself into your story so that your story, you will be the hero of your own. Huwag kang matakot na matalo. Huwag kang matakot na mag-fail kasi ito ang magbibigay sa iyo ng twist para harapin ang buhay. At higit sa lahat, para makamit ang iyong pangarap. End result is a worth sacrifice. Patience is powerful, so keep going on. Sabi nga nila, patience is a virtue. Matuto tayong maghintay. Nothing worthwhile in life. Life doesn't come easy. Kung ikaw ay nangangarap, if you dream, you want something, work for it, fight for it, give up anything for it. If it's worth the price, it's worth the fight. Then, your past will be your way in creating a better future. Focus on now. Do now to create a better tomorrow. Sabi nga nila, mag-focus tayo sa ngayon dahil bukas mag-iiba. Every day is another day. Sabi nga nila, tomorrow is another day, another challenge, and another battle. Isa pa ito, it's never too late to be great. Be grateful to people. Sabi nga nila, maging grateful tayo sa lahat ng oras at sa lahat ng bagay. Sa pagkamit ng ating pangarap, not everyone is happy for you. If you walk alone for a while, be strong enough to do so because knowing that it won't last forever. Habits will make or break you. Make a habit born to be near your goal. Sabi nga nila, habits can make your dream come true. Fear is an illusion. Fear is a mind made. Go for what you want in life. Fearlessly. Without direction, you end up in a wrong section. Have a clear goals. Ibig sabihin, big, clear, and meaningful goal. Fight for them. Ipaglaban natin kung ano ang goal natin sa buhay. No one will believe in you until you do so. Tama. Minsan, hindi tayo pinapaniwala ng ibang tao because they think that we are nobody. You want people to believe in you? Believe in yourself. Kapag ka ikaw ay hindi naniniwala sa sarili mong kakayahan, paano pa ang ibang tao? May kasabihan nga sila na progress leads to belief, growth leads to believe. Feed your mind new knowledge, empower your mind, and then be aware to take action. Next is faith. Isa sa bumubuo ng buhay ng tao ay faith. Pray above anything. Worry is unreasonable. Sabi nga nila, God has always a perfect timing. He will never be early and never be late. God's plan is always the best. Sometimes the process is painful and hard, but God is silent. He is planning something for you. Sometimes God closes a door, but because it's time to move forward. Alam nyo ba na mayroong tatlong sagot sa ating mga dasal ang ating Panginoon? And these three ways are, number 1, yes, because you deserve it. Number 2, no, because you deserve better. And number 3, not yet, because the best is yet to come. Kung iisipin natin ang ating faith, iambing natin ito sa ating buhay. There are times to laugh, there are times to cry, time to sow and time to reap, time to toil and time to harvest. If things won't change as we plan, we start questioning God. Minsan, kapag hindi naaayon sa kagustuhan natin o nangyayari sa ating gusto, doon tayo nagtatanong kay Lord kung bakit. We need to be matured. We lose our faith in trusting Him. Ibig sabihin, nagiging immature tayo if hindi natin natutuloy kung ano ang plano at hindi naaayon sa kagustuhan natin ang nangyayari sa ating buhay. Alam nyo ba na ang test of trials and temptations are like a storm? It will not harm you, but it could make you stronger. Alam mo, kung iisipin natin God knows more than anything else. God knows what's best for you, what's best for us. Minsan, mas alam pa or kilala pa ng Panginoon tayo kesa mas kilala mo ang sarili mo. Trust God's perfect time. God knows what you believe. Basta don't give up. Don't give up on everything, especially your faith. Don't give up, and God will have a net-breaking blessings. God will make worth the wait. Sabi nga nila, kapag ikaw ay naghihintay, nananalig sa kagustuhan ni Lord, pagpapalain ka balang araw. Hindi man sa ngayon, hindi man siguro bukas, pero mas alam niya sa tamang panahon. Isa pa sa important factor ng isang buhay ay ang ating values. Everything you think, everything you feel, every action you take, because of your beliefs and your values. Your values shapes your decision, and your decision will shape your life. Ang ating values ay nagsisignal kung gaano tayo kaimportante sa ating buhay. At dapat alamin mo kung ano ang mga important values na dapat nasa atin in order for us to have a great life, health, and energy. A great health gives you energy and vitality. Dapat healthy tayo at energized, hindi lamang sa ating pangangatawan, kundi sa ating values. And then, number 2 is love. Don't you know that love all things unconditionally? Hindi lang dun sa relationship ng love, partners, but the unconditional love. Sabi nga nila, love can make the world go round. Number 3 is gratitude and appreciation. There is no greater power on this earth than gratitude. It is a magical power to live constant state of appreciation for everything that is great in your life. Kindness and compassion, less judgment and more respect. It feels good to be kind. Bakit? It is right to be kind. Dapat yung kindness sa puso natin ang mangingibabaw sa atin. Integrity, always do what is right. That brings pride and it brings inner peace. Sabi nga nila, peace of mind. And integrity also brings honesty and trust. Next, giving. As humans, we are built to give, to serve selflessly. Alam nyo, sabi nga nila, karma always ensure that what you give is what He will return. Kung ano ang binigay mo, yun ang aanihin mo. Dapat sa puso natin, you give because that is our nature. Yan ang gusto mo. Dito ka, masaya. Growth comes to experience. Experience from learning. Learning from failures. From failures to achievements. And from achievements to interaction. Intention to get better is not to win, but to give more to the world. Dapat kapag tayo ay gustong mag-grow, hindi lamang yung isipin natin na tayo ay dapat manalo. Dapat isipin din natin yung ating interaction sa iba. Kung ano ang makukuha mong saya dahil sa experience na ito. And peace. Sabi nga nila, it is a silence at the peak of the mountain. Ang hirap-hirap hanapin ang peace. Pero kapag ikaw ay may peace of mind, you are in a great peace. Family, friendship, and connection. It is a caring about someone more than about yourself. So, dapat hindi lang puro sarili natin. Dapat alamin din natin kung ano ang caring sa ibang tao. To our family and to our friends. Ang lagi kong sinasabi, giving your best self to every encounter at ikaw ay nakapagpasmile ng isang tao, that is a good connection. Happiness. Happiness is a joy. It is a state of real happiness. And if you love what you're doing, it is considered to be happiness. It's within and it's a choice. Sabi nga nila, nasa sayo kung ikaw ay magiging masaya or kung ikaw ay magiging malungkot. It's always available at it will never on sale. Wala kang mabibiling happiness. Kahit paanong sale, hindi rin ito na ibebenta. Masaya ka, but deep inside, dapat may love, and happiness in order for us to attain a great joy. So, if you think life is hard, think again. Alam mo ba na there is only one you and the best version of you? Dapat, kung marunong kang humawak dito sa tatlong virtue na sinabi ko, you will have a better you. Learn something new. Change is the only constant in this world. Let our dreams fly. Be ambitious. Be greedy or hungry to your dreams and goals in life. Kung ikaw man ay nag-fail, try to stand up. If you fail again, don't worry. Don't be afraid. Fail and fail and fail again. But please, don't forget to rise like a phoenix. Sabi nga nila, what matters is kung ilang beses tayo bumangon. Kung ilang beses tayo lalaban. Hindi lang para sa ating pangarap or dreams, hindi lang para sa ating faith or paniniwala, at higit sa lahat, hindi lang din para sa ating values, kung hindi para sa isang ako, para sa isang ikaw, at para sa isang buhay mo. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the journey of your life. Enjoy every single step ahead. Sabi nga nila, every journey of our life begins with a simple step. Ngayong long weekend, since we are celebrating our All Souls Day and All Saints Day, I presented a motivational blog. Sana po nakatulong yung tatlong factors na aking binigay. Sana pagdumaan ang aking video sa iyo at siguro napasaya kita, higit sa lahat na inspire kita, paki-subscribe naman sa aking channel, hit the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga bagong videos ko. Mga Kaitechua, maraming salamat sa inyo pong pagsuporta. And please, don't forget to like, make a comment, at higit sa lahat, please visit my YouTube community. Mga Kaitechua, sana po huwag po tayong mag-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat sa continue na pagsuporta at panunood sa aking mga video. Always stay safe, stay healthy, at higit sa lahat, ako po ulit si Piting TV, ang isang simpleng buhay empleyado, magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo pong lahat itong simpleng buhay ko.